Hi team, my name is Ruturaj and today I'll be presenting you my project which is Drone Security Analyst Agent.
The system is a pipeline with clear stages. Video comes in and it flows through 6 steps. First is extract frames, second is generate telemetry, third is analyze with vision AI, fourth is index for search, then run the alert engine, and last one is summarize. And on top of that sits an AI agent you can chat with. Everything shows up in React dashboard. So a question might arrive, why a staged pipeline and not a big AI call? I could have thrown a whole video in one big multimodal model and asked to find threat. I rejected that for 3 reasons. First is explainability. This is security. So I designed every alert traces back to a specific frame or a specific AI description or a specific rule. You can just audit the whole chain, so it is easy to trace back. Second is recovery. If one stage fail, I just rerun the stage, not the whole video. Every stage saves its output in a JSON format. Third is cost. Vision AI calls are expensive part. Stages let me put throttling and retrace exactly where the money is spent. Second is I have intelligent frame extraction. So a 10-minute petrol video with 1 frame per second is almost 600 API calls, and 590 of the API calls are just empty parking lot scenes or empty area scenes. So instead of like sampling it blindly, I use motion detection and scene change detection, and I reject the blurry and dark frames. The system spends the AI budget only on the frames that actually contain something. This is the most agentic part. An agent's core skill is deciding where to spend the limited resources. I chose Gemini for vision analysis. First is neutral observation. What are the hands doing? And then if suspicious signals are detected, the second security focuses on assigning the threat levels. So is it the threat clear, low, or medium, or high or critical? So these are the stages. The context matters a lot, so same context is passed through the next frame to solidify the decision and also to give proper threat levels. The AI does not look at each frame blindly. Every frame's result is recorded into a shared session context. When the next frame is analyzed, the prompt includes a summary of last 5 frames, what happened, who was seen, and what was suspicious. So a model have a short-term memory. Why does this matter? Because the threat stories are not just single picture. A man standing near a wall is nothing, but the same man loitering in the last 3 frames is something which is called intrusion. The context passing is what lets system understands the whole story. So here is the frame where I am on the wall. Gemini describes it, and later it gives the analysis high or critical alert.
We can also see a very enriched data payload which is in JSON format. Some of the important features are object detectors, activity, the security signals, and the reasoning for the threat. Also the clip and blip object detection and captioning. So basically clip and blip gives an threat score to an LLM. So LLM gives a very stronger decision. Next is alert center. We can see all the alerts over here and which is specific to the frame. Okay, now moving towards the semantic search. Notice when I search actions over here, my semantic search, semantic search is triggered, and it returns me all the important actions. So we have session summary over here. So what it does is it gives a chronological incident logs and key events, and it gives a one-line summary of every incident.
I will ask the agent in plain English, did anyone climb on the wall? And it answers yes, pointing to the exact frame and the time, because the answer comes from the index frame.